Hey everyone! Welcome to Social Tool 101. In this quick video, I'll show you how to edit your images and remove the background using the built-in Windows Photos app. No need for Photoshop or any third-party tools. Let's jump right in. Open the image you need from Photos app. Click the Edit Image icon. That's the pencil icon on the top menu. Then go to the Background section. Here you can blur the image, remove background, and replace background with a color. I'm adding a yellow color like this as an example. You can also crop and rotate, add filters, fine-tune brightness, contrast, exposure, and sharpness using sliders. It's super simple and intuitive, perfect for quick edits. When you're done, click Save as Copy to keep your original intact. If you remove the background, save it as a PNG to preserve transparency. And that's how you remove backgrounds and edit images using just the Windows Photos app. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching.